I'm chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights has got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. Back in the day, Potts Farm was a place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word, light the bonfire and call the girls. King in the can and the Marlboro man, Jack and Jim were a few good men where you learn how to kiss and cuss and fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue and all this small town he said, she said. Ain't it funny how rumors spread like I know something y'all don't know? Man, that talk is getting old. You better mind your business, man, watch your mouth before I have to knock that loud mouth out. I'm tired of talking, man, y'all ain't listening. Them old dirt roads is what y'all miss. I'm chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights has got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. I sit back and think about them good old days, the way we were raising our southern ways. And we like cornbread and biscuits, and if it's broke around here, we fix it. I can take y'all where you need to go, down to my hood, back in them woods. We do it different round here, that's right, but we sure do it good, and we do it all night. So if you really want to know how it feels to get off the road, trucks and four wheels, jump on in, and man, tell your friends, we'll raise some hell with a blacktop in. I'm chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights has got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. Chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones.
Alright, that bolt right there you want to do first. Before you mount these bolts inside here.
I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right.
All right, now let's open up the exhaust. All right, now for the review of the intake and exhaust on 2017 Tacoma. I'm gonna start off with the pros. I really enjoy the drivability of the vehicle now. And that starts off with the power, torque, curve. It's just smoother. You have a less bog around 2,000, 2,500 RPM. Really enjoying the extra MPG I'm getting as well, anywhere from a half MPG to 1. Just depends on what type of driving I'm doing. And also the transmission, the ability for the vehicle to shift, downshift and upshift has much improved. So it's a big complaint on the Tacoma is a transmission, and it's shifting all over the place. I really haven't experienced a whole bunch of that because I got a 17. I think a lot of those bugs have been worked out, but I do notice it stays in gear longer before it downshifts. And when it does downshift, it gets back into 5th, 6th gear faster than it used to. The only con I have is more on the exhaust. It is loud. I put some dyno mat in the truck to help out. I may extend from the muffler back on the other side of the rear axle where it just dumps right in front of the rear axle now. So I'll just see, like I said, it's a little on the loud side. So I plan on building this vehicle up to do overlanding. I plan on installing rock sliders, front and rear bumper, bed rack. I just picked up a CVT tent. Plan on doing long travel in the front, maybe a medium travel in the rear. Fiberglass fenders in the front for the long travel. So hopefully, and plus with the adventures we'll be going on, hopefully I'll have more videos coming up shortly. And like I said, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe. Please like this video, and look forward to more videos in the future.